Xandy Kamel nsensem da pawa so a obia kebi kebi obia kan de ope na Xandy Kamel utie ni kasem na nka opese wo ya na nka eye ni kunu Kaninja anka obe kasa na so obe reply na so ono so be kan bibi but bra no utimu se ono so aye na dwen se wo pia odi nsem emu api se kokom pampa ebeba nti ase ono wa respect ne ho aka na no atum na obia eka bi na eye cancer Lutterodt nso edi na no gym kasa che Sunday because Sunday no ekoka ewo TikTok say cancer Lutterodt no opese o kana asem no sebe obo ne yire ne adwuma papa bi e Lutterodt bi e wo madina na ne yire sole a ofemfam ho se adwuma papa bi e no aye Lutterodt ne yire na Lutterodt so be reprise sister nkwasi asem na wudi wo social media no anase ukru Kaninja na waye kom na on pese obekasa no okita ansem o sabe wo Xandy woni ma na eda uknu Kaninja enim sa ansem we nyina no waka na no atum because it's not so when who adaja mu danti was so obuo bia ye wo ma obade e wo se oyeden ode man cancer Lutterodt abeti sister won ni anu odin pass Xandy say owo mba miensa no wanhwe ye kura sa amma no ye behwehwem so wanka na no antuma sa amma na ono Xandy editu no se ne mma no sa amma no obehwehwem bi papa na adwuma Xandy odidi ninja no ono no waka na no atum na okaso wo fiwa ensem ebeba no entisi e ka pacho eye desperate waya se wonim nyansa pa e wo so frɛ Kaninja na o panic because wo Xandy why you desperate papa na onu Lutterodt dey osro memfa wasem emma ne so wo be ka on ne yire asem ne yire kro onu on shout ngu ne yire so krada debi unsa ware dey aye bufo ba sometimes no wa shout o yire kakra Lutterodt so onu won ye bi da because ne yire eye good enti ye ba beti eye aware for school and ne yire na e ba beti ada no a emma bi ti say Xandy Kamel ne yire ehia no wonu school because Xandy ba school ma obegu school Mr. Yentie can Lutterodt emrasisia.
And if I've given you respect for who I think we are, to receive a call on my private WhatsApp from you, and only to hear other people telling you about things, even to the extent that they say, oh yeah, life, or no go to life, no so. Wow. When I saw you on TikTok putting my picture and my wife's picture there, I called you. The only thing you said was, hey, mommy, you cancel about. Now, won't hear the other come. Yeah. I was watching. Content reservation. Because Xandy spoke. Is she better like she's claiming, or she's better? She said she's never been desperate. But a young man whose career was going on quietly behind the scene, sleeping with other women, hear me. The said lady you claim, Xandy, I know her, I have too much stories. But we are not here to discuss your stories. So we are here to discuss lessons so that nobody will repeat what you have regretted doing. Because according to you, somebody's son's future has been dented by you going to pay his bride price for your own family. That is a curse. And no woman should do it. No woman should ever give things for a man to bring it back to your family. It's a curse. And you need to be pacified. You need to pacify the gods. You need to deal with the angel of marriage if you've done that. If you marry a man, you have to continue keeping him. And that's a lesson we are learning. There are rules. No man can ever be lonely. I said it yesterday. A man can be alone but not lonely. But women can be alone and can be lonely because they were created or made for marriage. Xandy Kamel has never married before. And she knows, even when she was joking, the deformity on herself was a tummy. So she said, even what she carries, this young man has come Why then do you come back again? Why won't you allow these lies remain in the cabinet of lies? Are we wrong to learn from your mistakes? We are not saying you made a mistake. You said you made a mistake. And you have been waiting that this somebody's son will respond to you. And you didn't like his response. Today, there's a lady who says there are audios of a lesbian conversation that you had and your ex-husband has it. So stop pushing him because it will be too dirty on social media. You will not smile because the last ritual or curse or whatever she did that we all saw, whether she's reversed it, we don't know. And as for Xandy Kamel cursing people, it's easy. She did that to me this morning. The phone call, our conversation with her, I was not going to even talk about it. But the level of insult rained this morning on her TikTok on me for teaching other people not to repeat her mistakes was so nice. And it will not stop us from learning from her mistakes. Thank you so much. Bear, listen to me. I hear people saying that she's a strong woman. Xandy is not a strong woman. She is fooling. When they say she's strong, she's strong. She's not strong. She's not recovered. There is no psychologist that will listen to this conversation and say this girl is healed. And when you have anybody going through therapy and can surround herself with intellectual bankruptcy of emotional emptiness, men and women of low thinking capacity when it comes to relationship issues.
Me da se biem se oje bre etwen me e rojo so relate school ya me baby me baby we ye o se ye nyina ye baby ye ba besua ade ye de ko ye nim obi so se unko obi afu mu da ana wo so nko ani ku aforu twoso so kasel kuyentwa na me de ensem bedroom obatampa travel and tough for na so masin my crown e more thing